How you guys doing? This is Martin. I was recording for a couple of minutes without pushing a button. You know me, 55, 52, 16 years worth of retirement. I'm black. Send me $100. P.O. Box 540, San Bernardino, California, 92402. Make a check out to Mark Morris. P.O. Box 540, San Bernardino, California, 92402. Martin, why are you saying you're black and need 100? Say I have $100,000 in retirement. At 1%, $100,000 after 1 year is $1,000. Shit, I might as well just beg. I'm gonna get a sign. There's a Home Depot and a Jack in the Box. Just put a sign. I am black. Give me $100. How many times? You think if I ask for $100 700 times in a year, I get something? Well, we'll find out. So today, I told you I also have my 666 study group challenge. We have a $6, $60, $600 programs. Remember the $6 one? We're going to follow the Undercover Billionaire with Grant Cardone. And speaking of that, here is my $100. Let's check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $100 like Grant Cardone got on the Undercover Billionaire. So we're going to put that in an envelope. And we're going to wait for January 6th. And we're just going to follow the strategies that Grant Cardone used to grow a business somewhere. The goal is just to take this money and multiply it. Hey, I'm in California under lockdown and stuff. You watched my other videos. I told you what not to do with the $600 stimulus package. Don't try to pay your rent. Don't try to pay your, don't try to pay your car insurance. All you're going to do is look at, $2,000 doesn't go into $600, then you may go blow your brains out or something. Or also in California, they're saying, oh, you don't have to pay your rent or anything, so they may reduce your rent down to 25. Say my rent is $1,935. California, oh, just pay 25%. Don't kick people out to the end of January. So they're saying I can reduce that down to $483. And my stimulus is $600. So we're getting somewhere now. Are we getting somewhere now if I play that game? And don't worry about the car payment. Don't worry about, I'm Mexico, no habla English, no habla bruga, no black African people, just no car insurance. You know what, in California, ain't no car insurance here. Just good luck, man. Car payment, well, I'll just dodge my car. You know, who did that, man? 385 East 116th Place, lived Long Beach Boulevard. Used to park my car all different directions on the street. Only way the repo man's gonna catch me is if but it's coming home with a cougar or a cub to become a 1 minute man. That's the only way the repo man gonna catch me. But what we're gonna do with that study session, we're gonna follow this. Gonna meet 2, 5, and 10, and then 30 days, and just follow the strategy Scratch used. Because basically everybody's going back to zero. I was at the gas station. One brother had the X5, the other brother had like a Mercedes that was a, I think it was a 98 or 2003, but he thought he was cool. It's like, bro, I know my cars, man. I know that car. I know that car. They don't make that car anymore. But I'm saying, hey, I'd rather invest my money in other things. Other people at the park playing with the dog. How many of you are playing with your dog at the park, unemployed, praying that you're going to get a stimulus check? Watch Grant Cardone on the Undercover Millionaire. Take $100 of that stimulus money like I'm going to do. Put it in an envelope, January 6th. Join my study group. If not, join Grant, and just learn something, man. Because ain't no more money coming. I tell you, look at my other videos. I told you ain't no money coming this month. Still ain't no money coming. $600. You don't know where you get that shit, man. That's all. I told you. No one believes me. But this is another envelope. This is going to be a $400 check going to pay on my car. Yeah, I'm still paying on it. I'm thinking about it. I'm like, maybe. No, I'll pay on it, man. Because I know some of you guys ain't paying on shit. I used to have a couple of duplexes. I know what it's like when people don't pay their shit, man. You're the owner. We don't have to pay. All right, man. Too bad it's not like the old days. Drag them out, break their kneecaps and stuff. But what I want to telling you is don't lie to yourself, man. Everyone's going to zero. All you janitors who are working in empty schools, you can only clean up so much shit when there is no shit. Sally, what is it? The lady in the kitchen is not there. The security guard. What are you gonna do? Guard the school against the crows? So basically, everyone's going back to zero. Follow Grant Cardone. Get $100. I don't care. Take a cash advance. Or watch how I told you how I turned $600 into $2,400. Put it in an envelope. Now we'll find out if I can turn this $100 here into 400, 500, 600 to pay for my car note minimum. It may be more, it may be less. Let's find out. Join my thing. And remember, what is one thing you shouldn't pay for your car? One thing, don't pay your rent unless you can get it reduced, especially in California. I know you guys don't want to pay no fucking way. You'd be like moving, drive here, man. All kind of people. There's more cars on the street than in the apartment parking lot. You tell me the logic. Who's slipping in? Who? But join me for my $60, $600 challenge with Grant Cardone. First thing we're gonna do, even if you don't join my program, take $100, put it in an envelope. January 6th. Follow Grant Cardone. This envelope's going to the Golden One Credit Union for $400. Let's see which one of these. Let's see if this can catch up to this. And as I end all my calls, my name is Mark. Oh, I need 100,000 subscribers. Give me 10 likes and 10 subscribers by 5 o'clock PST, Pacific Standard Time. And as I end all my messages, because the interest rate is at 1%, my name is Martin. I'm black. Send me $100. P.O. Box 540, San Bernardino, California, 92402. Martin Morris, P.O. Box 540, San Bernardino, California, 92402. Later.